Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we're gonna make today is a tiki drink that has become very, very popular. I had one maybe a few weeks ago at this pizza joint slash bar, and I really enjoyed it, so I had to figure out how to make it, right? So what we're gonna make today is a Saturn, just like the planet. So, first thing first, we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of gin. And this is a blended drink. So, if you got a blender, blend it. If not, look below. There's a link to one of these. And you can get one of these. It's simple, easy, not too big for the bar. Like I have a Ninja that's really big and powerful with all the blades and stuff, but that's overkill. This works perfect for bars. Anywho, next we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next we're going to go with a passion fruit syrup. So to make this passion fruit syrup, you mix passion fruit puree with simple syrup. The ratio is 1 part passion fruit puree to 6 parts of simple syrup. So I just use a shot glass, go 6 to 1, easy peasy. And I put it in a little bottle. But this is some passion fruit syrup, and you need to make 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup. Next, my unopened bottle of falernum syrup. This is like a spicy-ish type of syrup. Got some vanilla extract, some ginger, some lime, some brown sugar. You can find this on Amazon. Again, there's probably a link below for it also. Give it a good shake. And we're only going to go 1/4 ounce of this falernum syrup. 1/4 ounce, that's it. Oh yeah, it's really herbal and almost smell like allspice. There's a lot of spices on here on the cover, but anywho, back to what we're doing. All right, so next is a 1/4 ounce of orgeat syrup, which is an almond syrup. So this seems like it's kind of nutty-ish, but here we go. All right, next I gotta blend it till it's smooth. All right, next we're going to pour it in our glass. This out the way. Probably could have went with a smaller glass. But anywho, nevertheless, a Saturn. This is just as good as it was the one I got the other day. I'd probably double the recipe just so my glass is full. This is a really good cocktail. Really good tiki type cocktail. It is. It's solid. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.